Kelley Wolfe, Scott Wolfe's ex, misses court hearing 10 days after going silent on social media. Former MTV star Kelley Wolfe, who has made headlines for her chaotic divorce from Hallmark fan favorite and Party of Five alum Scott Wolfe, missed her latest court hearing, TMZ reported on September 30, 2025. But her absence from the Summit County, Utah, courtroom may have been a positive sign to her family and friends. According to TMZ, the judge said that Kelley was unable to attend her hearing regarding multiple misdemeanor charges because she's checked into a mental health facility. Prosecutor Wendy Crossland added that she believes Kelley was in treatment per People and added, "I have not otherwise had any other contact with Miss Wolfe. This is the second time in less than a month that Kelley has entered a treatment facility." The former Real World New Orleans star was arrested on August 26 and charged with 3 misdemeanors related to releasing others' personal information on social media, including publishing Scott's cell phone number. Released on bail after 2 nights in jail, one of the conditions of Kelley's release was that she participate in inpatient or outpatient medical, behavior, psychological or psychiatric treatment, per TMZ. At her arraignment on September 2, Kelley said she was looking forward to entering a rehabilitation treatment center, according to People, but she checked out after 2 days, the outlet later reported. On September 12, People reported that Kelley had been charged with a 4th misdemeanor over accusations that she tried to contact one of her and Scott's 3 kids, despite a court order prohibiting her from doing so. It is not clear when she entered a new facility, but the judge said on September 30 that the court would reset these matters with notice to Kelley, per TMZ. The life coach announced her split from Scott on June 10 and quickly spiraled, placed under an involuntary hold just 3 days later. Kelley has frequently used her Instagram account to express her frustrations and insists she was healthy since announcing her and Scott's separation. She has been silent there, however, since a flurry of activity on September 19, including posting photos of discharge papers and phone restrictions she was under during an involuntary hold. On September 18, Kelley wrote in an Instagram story that she was looking for a lawyer to fight for my reputation and my family. In August, the attorney representing her dropped her as a client, and a judge had since demanded that Kelley find a new one. In the same story, Kelley wrote, "I am excited to go to a treatment for PTSD and the only one I truly want is in Utah and I am trying to go today." Kelley wrote in another story later that day that her body and mind were so tired, and insisted that she had held on to sobriety for almost 10 years, despite posting many photos of wine and beer bottles since June. Kelley and Scott, whose most recent roles have been on Fox, Doc and Hallmark's A Merry Scottish Christmas, were married for 21 years. According to People, their next divorce hearing is set for October 23, and Kelley has also received a summons to appear in court on November 7 regarding her latest arrest.